All right, we are finally here with the Space EP. I don't know how it's possibly taken this long for me to get here. This is kind of the thing that I've been the most excited for in their entire discography, just based on what it's called. I love space themed things, just anything like that, especially when it comes to music. So I think I'll really like this, and a lot of people are saying that I will like it a lot. There's also a song called Supernova on here, which is always a banger. I don't know why. Every song ever called Supernova is good. But so far, I've basically checked out every The Devil Wears Prada release. We still got to do Dead Throne. Don't worry, I'll get there. But I remember back before I listened to the Zombie EP 1 and 2, that I said that I'd listen to this before I even listened to any of the Zombie EPs. And we've gone through both Zombie EPs. So I don't know what's going on. I'm 100% in control of what I upload. This is my fault. But I'm super excited for this. Celestial Mechanics sounds awesome. An Asteroid Towards Earth, Alien, Moon God, Planet A. All these have really cool titles. We got some beautiful artwork here. And this came out in 2015. Which is a very interesting time for the band, right before Transit Blues. Like right before Transit Blues. 818 came out 2 years before this. So yeah, I don't really know what this is going to sound like, because 818 and Transit Blues are so different, you know what I mean? But I don't know, I'm hoping this fully embraces the space vibes, synth atmosphere, Celeste, anything like that. I'm hoping this is very different from Transit Blues and 818. But anyway, let's get into it with Planet A. I like it already.
Control for gateway. Orbiter armor tracted. Out.
Roger, Houston.
Space shuttle.
PLS confirmation of fuel and main engine check.
Roger, Control. How are we looking for that 11:28 launch time? Over.
I'm a big space nerd, man.
Weather search rate.
Copy that, Houston. Roger.
Auto sequence start in T-minus 30 seconds, gateway.
Visors closed.
External vent
Like, since
closed.
I was a kid.
Pressure is building for takeoff.
I was in the elementary school library at the science space
You are go for launch. Countdown management. Switch to
area, nonfiction,
over.
We are go for launch. Over.
because I'm a little fucking nerd. Is it too early to give it a like? Is it too early? Ooh. Very cinematic. Got Rey Skywalker. I'm sorry. Okay, Elizabeth. Thanks for giving me a name. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, yeah. There's the experimental synth coming in now. Oh, this is a perfect sound for them. Still 2010s metalcore, but before the Transit Blues sound. Yeah, it's like 818, but with better production. Houston! Oh, breakdown time. Oh, Maybe not?
Just want to survive without anyone. Without anyone. Elizabeth had a dream.
Yeah.
Mankind's heart, the universe. Curiosity can be a curse. Elizabeth.
God, the keyboard in the background. Got an Ollie Sykes vibe there when he says, you. You. Oh, perfect. Anyone. I loved the clean vocal at the end with the echo delay on it. Oh, that was a great opener. Yeah, this is still in that, early 2010s metalcore sound. But it's got better production than 818 did. Probably mostly due to the concept they're going for. Yeah, this I'm absolutely loving this so far. I really felt it. I felt that Houston though, that Houston, and I was like, yo, that slaps. I'm liking the lyrics a lot so far. I don't know if this is gonna follow Elizabeth throughout the whole EP. That would be sick. But the next song is called Alien. So maybe Elizabeth, after being the only survivor, will come in contact with an alien. Challenger, rip. Did they sample a curse out beep? Oh, yes, please. We're getting heavier. In my skin. Oh, I'm getting zombie EP vibes from this immersive, scary shit. Whoa. Big zombie EP vibes. We got a Komodo dragon demon alien. Oh yeah. Alright. I see you. Yeah, this is just Xenomorph. Oh, I love the snare drum. Oh, the drums sound. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, the drums just fucking did it for me there. Ooh. That was the Space EP? That was straight off the Zombie EP. Come on. Alright, Moon God. This title is very intriguing to me. No, that was just straight up Alien Isolation right there. 28 days later. vocals are good. Everything's so clear in the production. I think it's the production. Gorgeous background vocals. Yo! Oh! No. Oh, this is gonna be a top tier one. I was about to say, oh, I'm getting some like transit blues vibes, and then it just came in with that riff and the fast drums. That sounds amazing. With these vocals, this might be a top tier one. Getting like an Under Oath vibe. That's such a good riff. Mate. Yeah. Really good vocal production. This is my favorite one already. God, I love the vocals. This has the Architects thing going on, like Daybreaker. Oh my god, man. Best song. Oh yeah. Bring that synth in. Oh, breakdown now? Ooh, okay. More of an outro. I'm actually glad that wasn't a breakdown at the end there. That is like the perfect one. I swear if this has the least amount of plays. Okay. Yeah, no, this song is fucking really good. It's the most dynamic one on the album so far. And I think it's my favorite, even though Planet A has that space EP vibe. That's the one, that's kind of what I was expecting, to be honest. Alien and Moon God have been very different so far. Alien sounded straight off of the Zombie EP. This one sounded very unique, but it didn't have a space vibe for the most part. Outside of the lyrics, obviously. But Planet A is really the one that has that celestial sound to the actual song. But that also means that there's going to be a lot of variety on this EP. If we're only halfway through and every song has sounded pretty much completely different. But yeah, let's go into the next three. Yeah, now we're gonna get into the super space stuff. I mean, Supernova, Asteroid, Towards Earth, Celestial Mechanics.
For the first time in 3 years, official clocks will pause for the Earth's rotation to align with atomic time. Fluctuation is due to the Earth's interaction with the Moon, primarily tidal.
We're gonna get weirder instead of heavier, I think, which I'm all here for.
Effect of tidal force slows our planet's rotation.
Maybe both.
Main direct course
Yeah, I used to think about this all the time. I was like, oh my god, that's terrifying. In the future, it's gonna be... And then that the moon is slowly going away from the Earth and will eventually fly off into space. I used to get scared about the sun dying. I'm like, I'm not gonna be alive. Not even close, so... Oh, maybe we are getting heavy. Cool interlude. Reminds me of Red Hypergiant, again by Architects. Oh, this is bright and uplifting. Dude, the drums on this album, on this EP so far, fantastic. Oh, we're getting heavier and faster, okay. Yo. Fuck that. This might be the best song. Dude, is this about to beat the last song already? Maybe not, but tapping gets extra points. That tapping was amazing. Maybe. Oh my god, the synth coming in and now the tapping is back. This is amazing. Stop. Moon God and Supernova might be like the best songs I've ever heard by the band. I'm like, I'm not even joking. Like, that was so good. Yeah, okay, 5 million plays. That makes sense. Oh, shit. Most songs named Supernova that I've heard are, you know, more vibey. That was amazing. Tons of energy. Very uplifting. Very bright. I loved the chorus with the clean vocals. I mean, that was like Moon God, but short and fast. And obviously the tapping. I always tapping extra points, bonus points, any song. It'll elevate any song. Yeah, I'm really happy about that song. Anyway, let's go to the next one. Last song, sadly. Fuck, I want like, this is, we need Space EP2. When? Please, Devil Wears Prada next. Their next thing needs to be Space EP2. It would actually be kind of a perfect time to do that, even if it's a little more vibey. This really has that perfect sound, in my opinion, that kind of early 2010s sound, but with better production. It sounds more modern than something from like 2011 would. An Asteroid Towards Earth. Let's see how they end this EP. Heavy? Man, this EP's heavier than I thought it would be. In a really good way, obviously.
Racing towards us, something
Still got that synth and atmosphere though in the background. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See, I knew the zombie EPs would be heavy as fuck, you know? But I just thought this would be vibier, so I am very pleasantly surprised. And I would have been really happy with Vibey, but yeah, this is sick. Where's this going? That radio chatter sounds really cool. Oh, yeah, this is what I was expecting.
Think of best friends, think of strangers, think of lovers, think of foes, think of children, think of family. Keep in mind that nothing stays. Think of best friends, think of strangers, think of lovers, think of foes, think of children, think of family. Keep in mind that nothing stays. Say goodbye one last time, as the earth will be no more.
Oh, that clean guitar and bass coming out.
It's destroyed, on flame, and destroyed. It's funny how we once fought. It's funny how we didn't care. Consider what we could have been. Consider what we could have. Say goodbye one last time. It's getting closer now. Say goodbye one last time. It's getting closer now. Say goodbye one last time. It's getting closer now. Say goodbye.
Oh, these vocals.
It's getting closer now. Say goodbye one last time.
Oh, the drums, yes. This is giving like Polaris vibes. Obviously before Polaris. Dude, the atmosphere here, I got chills. Oh, I got chills there. That sounded massive. Perfect way to close it. Some synth. Mm-hmm. No, yeah, this was amazing. If we never get a Space EP2, come on. Please do it. Please do it. It would make sense for it to be next, kind of, right? For their next EP. Because they did, Zombie EP2 was in like 2022, right? Yeah, 2021, it was their like pandemic release. So maybe it was the pandemic that made them, you know, do the Zombie EP2. Maybe they wouldn't have done it if there was no pandemic. Maybe they would have. I don't know. I don't know now. Fuck. I'll just hope. I'll just dream about it. It's all right. But no, this was amazing, honestly. These all were so different than I thought they would be, besides Planet A. Planet A, in my mind, is kind of what I was picturing this whole thing being like. But overall, this was way heavier than I thought it was going to be. I mean, I was getting like zombie EP vibes throughout it every once in a while. There were some beautiful moments on this. Moon God and Supernova still probably some of my favorite songs I've ever heard from this band. I'll probably be spamming those. Those are really good. I got some Polaris vibes, Under Oath, a little bit of Architects as well. And Architects has a lot of, celestial space kind of themed songs as well. This instrumental really reminded me of their instrumental Red Hypergiant. So yeah, I'm definitely happy with this. Sorry it took me so long to get here. We got Dead Throne to do next. And then I think I'm all caught up. I heard Play the Old Shit. I didn't do a video for it. I heard that back like when it came out, whenever someone put it on the internet. I listened to it. And that actually also gave Architects vibes, Seeing Red, lyrically for sure. But it was awesome instrumental. Yeah, we got Dead Throne next, which came out right after the Zombie EP in 2011. I think I randomly brought up 2011 in this video, so that's crazy. And this art has kind of a Zombie EP vibe, to be honest. This looks like it's going to be heavy, dark, but I don't know. Maybe it won't be. I don't know. We'll get there soon, I swear. But if you haven't checked out my other videos on this band, definitely do so in the meantime. I've literally heard every album and every EP now, I believe. Except, the live albums. There's some singles I haven't heard. And I will, of course, be checking out any new songs, albums they come out with in the future. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe. And, of course, let me know what you thought of this EP down below. And I'll see you guys down in the comment section. Take it easy.